Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted some wedding bubbles. You get a pack of 32. What I love is that you get them in like two separate boxes, and then you take them out and you get this little box that you just put together. It's really easy to like pop together, and there you go. I just think these are so cute. So you could like zhuzh them up and, put a name on there with a bow. And at the top, you can see they have like a little hole on them. So you can put the ribbon through there, or you can just tie a little ribbon around the side, and then you have that cute little bow. So just like fun little options, and then you can like have them all in the little box. But of course, what you want to see is, do these really work? I like that they have this like stopper on them, so you can put that back in. Nice size. It's enough without being wasteful. And then, amazing. Very effective. So if you are looking for some very nice, super pretty, like just a fun little way to welcome the new bride and groom once they leave the church, these wedding bubbles are so cute and so much fun. Definitely check them out.